Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette again because I'm obsessed with these colors, and yeah, that's what I will be doing today. I really want to use this shade right here, Electric. It's a really bright blue, and yeah, maybe yellow and purple and pink, I don't know. Hopefully I don't mess up. So I'm going to be priming my eyes first. I'm using the e.l.f. primer, by the way. So I'm going to apply a white base all over my eyelid. So first I'm gonna go in with the Electric shade right here. And I'm gonna put it all over my crease. Hopefully it's not a mistake. Okay, now with that same brush, I'm going to dip into this shade named Velvet. A little bit above just to make it dark. I don't know, I think I'm using the wrong brush. So I'm going to use the shade Peace to blend in the hard edges. Okay, you can't really see the purple. I mean, you can a little bit. So I want to use green and yellow. So I'm going to use this flat brush from Alamar, and I'm going to dip into the green, this one right here, called Evergreen. Hold on, actually. I'm just gonna add a little bit more blue. I think I'm gonna wet the brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of Electric blue and wet the brush. Now I'm going into the green and spraying it. Looks kind of weird. Now with this brush that I applied the blue with nothing on it, I'm just gonna try to blend it in. The green. One of them looks brighter, so I'm gonna wet my brush. With the same brush, I was gonna flip it over, but I'm cleaning the excess green. Okay, with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Solar and apply it on the rest of my eyelid. I'm gonna wet it. that's how it looks so far. It looks really bright. I kind of like it though. I'm just blending in the yellow into the green. It makes it look like a bright green or something. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply some eyeliner and mascara and I will be right back. Okay, I already added eyeliner and mascara. Now I'm going to be adding an inner corner color. I think I'm gonna go in with a shade Pave. Ignore my hair, but here is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it matches? Or do you guys think it's too bright? I actually like how it looks. It reminds me of something, but I don't know what. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. It kind of matches my shirt. I'm wearing a blue shirt. I should have added pink because I have pink on my shirt. But oh well. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me play with some eyeshadow. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you guys like these type of videos, let me know as well. And let me know if you guys want me to try to do a different type of look or something. So that is all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. I had trouble applying mascara on these eyelashes. So I don't know if it's my eyelashes or this ugly mascara that I hate. I use the CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. Do not like it.